Hey. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, you're right.
I'm excited.
Do you want me to help you guys out as well for a minute? We're all working on it.
Sure.
We can do 2 dogs at once. So let's just get them apart for a second. So I'll just do it with our dog first and I'll do it with yours next, all right? Come on. So that one's a bit more intense just because there's a bit more stimulus. Hey, hey, hey. What's this one's name?
Frankie.
Frankie. Hey, Frankie. Boy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, Frankie. Okay. Come here. Perfect. We'll go one more time.